During the early days of national forests in Tennessee, lands were purchased for two national forests. In the southeast corner of the state was the Cherokee National Forest, which also included land in surrounding states, North Carolina and Georgia. In the northeast part of the state was the Unaka National Forest, which also included lands in North Carolina and Virginia. Cherokee National Forest stretches from Bristol to Chattanooga, and the 630,000-acre forest is divided into northern and southern sections. The Great Smoky Mountains National Park lies between them. The forest is healthy and rich with plant and wild animal life and offers a large variety of outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, biking, lake activities, and more. Driving for pleasure is also one of the most popular recreation activities in the Cherokee National Forest. Spectacular stands of tall timbers and rhododendron, wildlife viewing areas, swiftly moving rivers, and calm lakes await the visitor along scenic driving routes. Overlook pull-offs provide opportunities for viewing and photographing the surrounding countryside. Spring and fall are the most popular times for touring the forest.